How strong should you be? Every man should know. Let's do it. Exercise number 1, air twisting crunch. Instructions: lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head with elbows out to the sides. Lift your upper body and twist to the right, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee, then alternate sides. Benefits: this exercise strengthens the oblique muscles for a more defined waist. It improves core stability, crucial for overall body strength. Additionally, it enhances rotational power, benefiting sports and daily activities. Exercise number 2, burpee. Instructions: stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower into a squat. Place your hands on the ground, and kick your feet back into a push-up position. Perform a push-up, then jump your feet back to your hands and explosively jump into the air. Benefits: burpees provide a full-body workout that builds muscle and cardiovascular endurance. They increase explosive strength, which is beneficial for high-intensity activities. Burpees also enhance agility and coordination, essential for athletic performance. Exercise number 3, jumping jacks. Instructions: stand with your feet together and hands at your sides. Jump while spreading your legs and raising your arms above your head. Return to the starting position and repeat continuously. Benefits: jumping jacks improve cardiovascular fitness. Crucial for overall endurance. They strengthen leg muscles and promote better balance. This exercise also burns calories efficiently, aiding in weight management. Exercise number 4, stretching, bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana. Instructions: lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Press your feet into the floor, lift your hips towards the ceiling, and clasp your hands underneath your body. Hold the position, then lower your hips back down slowly. Benefits: the bridge pose strengthens the glutes, lower back, and hamstrings for a more stable core. It improves spinal flexibility and posture. This pose also enhances circulation and reduces stress, contributing to overall well-being. Exercise number 5, stretching, plyo side lunge stretch. Instructions: stand with your feet wide apart. Shift your weight to one side, bending your knee and keeping the other leg straight. Push off the bent leg to return to the starting position and switch sides. Benefits: the plyo side lunge stretch increases lower body strength and flexibility. It enhances hip mobility, essential for functional movements. This stretch also builds explosive power in the legs, beneficial for athletic performance. Exercise number 6, stretching, single straight leg stretch. Instructions: lie on your back with one leg extended on the floor and the other leg raised straight up. Hold the raised leg with both hands, gently pulling it towards your chest. Switch legs after holding for several seconds. Benefits: this stretch strengthens the hamstrings. improving overall leg flexibility. It enhances lower back health and reduces stiffness. Additionally, it improves circulation and recovery, essential for maintaining strength. Exercise number 7, Twisting Crunch. Instructions: lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head and lift your upper body. Twist to the right, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee, then alternate sides. Benefits: the twisting crunch targets the oblique muscles, enhancing core definition. It improves abdominal strength, crucial for daily activities and sports. This exercise also boosts overall core stability, reducing the risk of injury.